Why healthy fruits may be harming your legs. Fruits are often hailed as nature's candy, rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. But for older adults, things are different. As we age, our metabolism slows down, our insulin sensitivity changes, and our joints and muscles become more sensitive to inflammation and poor circulation. So even a sweet fruit that's healthy for a 30-year-old can be a hidden trigger for swelling, stiffness, or aching legs in a 70-year-old. That's why this video might save your mobility. The worst offenders, the 7 fruits that secretly weaken your legs. Now, let's get into the 7 worst fruits seniors should stop eating, especially if you want to protect your knees, calves, and ankles from pain and weakness. Pineapple 1. Pineapple. Pineapple is juicy and tropical, but it's also extremely high in sugar and acidity. Excess sugar spikes blood sugar levels, causing poor circulation to the legs. Acidity can worsen inflammation, especially in people with arthritis. Warning if you suffer from joint pain or tingling in the feet. This fruit might be why. Grapes 2. Grapes. Small, sweet, and easy to snack on, grapes are loaded with natural sugars and can cause insulin spikes. That spike leads to fluid retention in the legs and ankles, and repeated consumption may cause chronic leg fatigue. Swap them for berries, which are lower in sugar and high in antioxidants. Watermelon 3. Watermelon. Yes, it's refreshing, but extremely high glycemic index, which means fast sugar spikes, can worsen neuropathy, especially in diabetic seniors. If your legs feel numb or weak after meals, watermelon might be the hidden culprit. Banana 4. Bananas. Bananas are rich in potassium, but many seniors eat them daily without realizing their sugar load. Override bananas equals higher sugar equals higher insulin load. Also, bananas are high in histamines, which can trigger inflammation. You might feel leg cramps, not a lack of potassium, but because you're eating too many bananas. Cherries 5. Cherries. This one's surprising because cherries contain antioxidants, but they also contain fructose, which can spike uric acid. That's a major trigger for gout and joint pain in the toes and knees. If you wake up with stiff legs or sharp foot pain, rethink those cherry snacks. Red apple 6. Apples. An apple a day might not keep the doctor away for seniors. Apples are moderate in sugar, but can cause bloating and discomfort. For those with slow digestion, apples may cause gut inflammation, indirectly weakening leg muscles due to malabsorption. Try switching to green apples in moderation or low fructose. 7 mangoes. Delicious but sugar bombs. Even a small mango contains up to 45 grams of sugar. Over time, this causes leg swelling, fatigue, and poor circulation. Senior legs need stable energy, not sugar crashes. Still with us? Good, because the truth is, most seniors eat at least 3 of these fruits weekly without knowing the damage. Your legs aren't weak because of aging alone. They're weak because of what's sitting in your fruit bowl. Banana, grapes. So smash that like button if this shocked you, and hit subscribe if you care about your senior health. We're just getting started. Topic: how these fruits affect senior leg health. Let's go deeper into what actually happens in your body when you consume these fruits daily. 1. Blood sugar spikes. Spiking blood sugar causes inflammation of leg arteries, reduced circulation to the lower limbs, increased fatigue and cramping. 2. Joint inflammation. Fruits high in fructose or histamines trigger swollen knees, burning sensation in thighs, morning stiffness in hips. 3. Water retention. Excess fruit sugar pulls water into tissues, leading to puffy ankles, heavy calves, difficulty walking upstairs. Even if your blood tests are normal, your legs might still be sending warning signs. What to eat instead: leg-friendly fruits and tips. Now, let's talk about smart replacements. White heavy checkmark: eat these instead. Blueberries, packed with antioxidants, low sugar, good for circulation. Avocados, yes, it's a fruit, rich in magnesium and potassium, reduces leg cramps. Papaya, low acid, easy on digestion, natural anti-inflammatory. Cranberries unsweetened. Protects the urinary system. Supports fluid balance. Leg strengthening diet tips for seniors. Limit fruit portions to once daily, preferably with protein. Avoid fruit juices and dried fruits. They're concentrated sugar bombs. Drink more water, especially if you're reducing fruit intake. Add leg-friendly veggies, spinach, sweet potatoes, beets for circulation. If this video helped you rethink what's really healthy for your legs, don't keep it to yourself. White Heavy checkmark like this video. White Heavy checkmark subscribe to the channel for weekly senior health age. White Heavy checkmark share it with your parents, grandparents, or senior friends. White Heavy checkmark comment below. I'm changing my fruit choices today, and we'll reply to support you. Remember, your legs don't get weaker just because of age. It's because of small daily choices that add up. So take back your strength, walk farther, stand taller, and keep living a life full of vitality, mobility, and freedom. Until next time, stay strong, stay informed, and stay golden.